Guys, this is Sanjay back again. In this video, I'm gonna unbox the Google goodies which I got it from Google Campus Hyderabad. Okay, I'm so excited to unbox it because I was waiting for to post in YouTube, so I'm very eager to do unboxing. So I'll show you the box which I got from Google. This is the box, and it's written Google over here, and Crowdsource. It's written Crowdsource. Okay, I will tell you about the event as a short. Actually, this event was all about this crowdsource thing, which means Google new app which they introduced 1 year ago, and I personally think this Google crowdsource is going to create impact on Indian society. Okay, I will explain all the crowdsource stuff in another video which I will post soon. So here we are gonna unbox this thing and let's see what all gift I got it from Google. Wow, the first thing it's really funny. I got the stickers again. I think a lot of Android stickers is there, plus Google crowdsource logo, plus Google logo is there. Wow, it's nice. I think I'm gonna stick everything in my laptop. Okay, whatever, just move it here, and let's take another thing. Wow, here you go. I have a small white box. Let's unbox it. Wow, this is so nice. It's written Google Crowdsource. Wow, I think it's that die. Wow. See, I got a pen over here. Thing is completely made of paper. Wow, and some notes. Some notes over here. Labels and sticky notes. Wow. Wow. Thanks Google for this. And so we unbox this one. Keep this aside, and let's see what else. Oh, this is my tag from Google Crowdsource. This is a tag which I got it from the conference which I attended, and it's pretty good. Feel like I got job in Google. And here you go, something big. Wow, I don't know what's in it. Wow. Oh. I think it's water bottle. Yes, it is. Wow, it's so nice. Wow. Actually, it was there in my Amazon wish list. It was very costly, so I thought to buy it later. Thanks Google again for this Google thing. No water bottle, I like it. Wow, it's nice. And one more stuff here. And one more thing. This was a photo they took it at the time of conference. Nice. Speaking memories. And here you go, the last thing. It will be a mark probably. Yes, it's mark. It's mark. Wow. Wow. This is superb. It's written Google over here. And Google is my love language. I love it. And it written crowdsource. Let's make the internet a better place. Wow, thanks Google for this. I really liked it. So feel like first time from Google I'm receiving this kind of things. So I'm very happy. And about this crowdsource thing, I will explain what is crowdsource and how it's working and what's is gonna impact in internet. I will explain in my next video. Till then, subscribe my video, like my video, share it, support me, and yeah, a lot of stuff. So happy, and bye. See you.